Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. I'm a professionally trained makeup artist of 13 years and today I'm going to show you how to do this kind of really soft, easy neutral eye using the newest Carnival palette. This is the Antidote palette. This is beautiful. I've tried a lot of the oranges, I've tried most of the greens, and today I want to go in with the centre section, which is more neutral, nudes, browny kind of tones, and I just want to see how they was gonna work on their own. I don't want to like pull in all the different colours. I have other videos with the greens and the reds, well the oranges, so if you want to check those out, they will be in the cards on the end screens and in my playlist, so you can find them very easily on my recent videos too. So I'm gonna go in with this and see what we can do. So easy, so quick, so beautiful. Starting off with a Morphe M433 and the shade Chestnut, which is right here. Okay, so my eye is primed with a Amylouise base number 2, and I'm just going to pack this on through my crease and onto my lid. I'm not too bothered about getting it all across my lid. In fact, just swipe it right across there. I'm just going to pack this on and start to blend it out. So I kind of look like I've got a little bit of a blacker eye, just the one shade. I actually quite like this. Like just buff the edges a little bit more and mascara, this would be a cute look. So I'm going in with a Morphe M441 and Lotta Latte, which is right here. I'm just going to buff this out. I'm going 50% on, 50% off, little circular motions all around the edges. Give that a bit of a buff out. I'm going in with a Morphe M433 and the shade Dusty Rose, which is right next to Lotta Latte. Same thing again, I'm just going to buff the edges. Nothing too crazy, just give it a nice little buff out, about 50% on, 50% off. And then I'm taking a Sigma E35 and the shade Buff, which is right up here. And I'm just going to get those very edges, buff it out, make sure it's really nice and smooth. So it should look something like this. Now I'm going to go back to that very first brush and Chestnut, and I'm just going to tap right over the edge, and that's going to blend the brown chestnut into the gold. It means you're not going to have such a harsh line, and it's just going to look a lot finished, a lot more finished and smooth and polished. So I'm literally just tapping, I'm not doing anything special, just tap 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 until you like the way it looks. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my fresh ink from Amylouise and popping this into my waterline. If you don't have this, use whatever it is that you'd like to use in your waterline, whether that's just a pencil, a gel liner, whatever it is that you use. I love the Amylouise paint for my waterline. And then I'm just going to smudge it just slightly below, just kind of where the hairs are, like that little bit of skin where your hair, like your eyelashes come out. I'm going to take this little pencil brush, this is a Morphe JS13 and the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to smudge that out right across my lower lash line. I've really been enjoying these really dark lower lash lines. And then back to that first brush with Chestnut on it, pop that right below. And then the second brush with a Lotta Latte and do the same thing, and making sure to connect it up in this outer corner. Now I'm not too bothered about bringing it too far low. I can clean that up really easily, and that is why I'm doing my under eye before my base. I'm just going to take a little cloth and just wipe the excess away. Now it's time for mascara. You can add lashes if you want, but I'm not, due to the fact that my lash line has been really sensitive over the past couple of days. I think it's just the new lash glue that I've been using. It's not quite agreeing with my skin. I need to go and get my old one back, like a new one of my old one. But yeah, I can't wear lashes at the minute. My skin is just so sensitive. So I'm gonna go away, I'm gonna do my base, and I will be right back to finish off the look. Okay, I am back. Base is on. I'm pretty much done. I'm ooh, itchy. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna finish off the eye, just because when you do your lower eye before you do your base, it does tend to get lost. It does tend to, you know, you kind of mix in the two, because with your foundation, your concealer, whatever it is, below the eye, it does tend to just diminish. So we're going to go back in on the lower eye, not on the upper. And I'm not even going in with shadows, just the excess of what's on the brush. So I'm going to go in with that first brush that has chestnut on it. I'm just going to go right below the eye, again making sure to go up to the outer corner, and then that third brush which has a dusty rose on it, and do the same thing, just a little back and forth, and then the final brush which has buff on it, and just buff that out, buff with a buff, and then we are pretty much done. I just want to pop something on my inner corner, so I'm going to take a little pencil brush. This one's a Morphe, and I'm going to take Glisten, which is probably the most used shadow in this palette at this point. I love it, and I'm just going to pop that on my inner corner. Okay, so this is the finished look. I told you it was quick and easy. It is so quick and easy. It is beautiful. I feel like this would be great for weddings, everyday, special events, anything that you just want to look glam but not like too much. Like sometimes I can just like go out and like full clown makeup, just like go crazy. But honestly, I love this kind of makeup. I just don't do it all that often because bright colours attract me more, honestly. But yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. If you've got any suggestions of looks that you want to see me do, let me know down below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.